The F3 error code on an LG range oven indicates a short circuit in the button control panel, typically caused by a faulty harness connector or a defective control board. To fix this issue, resetting the range oven can be a good starting point, as it may clear temporary glitches. To do this, press the clear or off button to stop the beeping. Then disconnect the oven from the power source or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait a few minutes before reconnecting the power to see if the problem is resolved. If not, inspect the harness connector, which sends signals to the control board for any faults such as broken or corroded wire connections. A faulty connector can interfere with these signals, so it may need to be replaced, possibly with the help of a qualified professional. The control board, being the brain of the oven, should also be checked to ensure it is in good condition, and if necessary, replaced with the assistance of a qualified person. If the problem persists after trying these methods, it is recommended to contact a professional for further assistance.